Dear students, now we are going to talk about the simplest form of the new media, which is World Wide Web. World Wide Web, which is referred as WWW as well. World Wide Web is the leading information retrieval service of the internet, the worldwide computer network. तो हम आज जो सर्फिंग करते हैं इंटरनेट पे और जो बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सेस करते हैं थ्रू इंटरनेट, वो कैसे करते हैं? वो हम वेबसाइट्स से करते हैं, और वो जो तमाम वेबसाइट्स हैं वो वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब पर डेवलप होती हैं, और इसको हम सिंपली वेब भी कहते हैं। और जो वेब होती है, the actually web gives access to the user to a vast array of documents that are connected to each other by means of hypertext or hypermedia links. If we see the history of the World Wide Web, you come to know that the Tim Berners-Lee and his colleagues at CERN, Geneva, Switzerland, developed World Wide Web in 1989. The first web browser was made available for general release in January 1992. Tim had written the three fundamental technologies that remain the foundation of today's web. And these three technologies are HTML, URI or URL, and HTTPS. So nowadays, which webs we see on the internet, these websites have been created on these three technological languages. So when we talk about the phases or the evolution of the web, now we can categorize the evolution of the web in three phases: Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3.0. In coming lectures, we will see each web phase in a detailed manner.